In the fast lane of the automotive industry, innovation waits for no one. From concept cars to production-ready vehicles, the pressure to shorten development cycles and cut costs has never been higher. That's where advanced rapid prototyping comes in, turning visionary designs into tangible reality overnight. Design verification and aesthetic models. It all starts with design verification. With cutting-edge industrial 3D printing, we produce high-fidelity concept models and intricate interior components in a fraction of the time. Need to test optical clarity or color matching? Our vacuum casting process delivers premium, production-like plastic parts and clear lenses, perfect for marketing clinics and initial fit form testing without the high tooling costs. Functional testing and structural integrity. But automotive parts can't just look the part, they have to perform. For functional and high-stress testing, our high-precision CNC machining crafts robust metal components like engine blocks and suspension parts from production-grade materials. For large-scale exterior components like bumpers and body panels, our reaction injection molding rim provides lightweight, durable, and large-scale prototypes. And when it comes to the vehicle's structural skeleton, our advanced sheet metal fabrication ensures every bracket, enclosure, and chassis component meets rigorous crash and safety standards. From the first sketch to the final pre-production test, our comprehensive suite of prototyping services, 3D printing, vacuum casting, CNC, rim, and sheet metal is engineered to accelerate your automotive innovation. We don't just build prototypes, we drive the future of automotive manufacturing. Partner with us, and let's accelerate your next project today.